Assalamu alaikum, this is Nisar from NS Consultant, and today's video is for those students who want to know the major similarities and difference between IELTS academic and IELTS general training. So before we move toward the major similarities and difference between these two versions of IELTS, let's firstly define both of them. So IELTS general training is meant for those individuals who want to go abroad for the sake of work permits, work visas, or migration purposes. On the other hand, IELTS academic is basically defined and designed for those students who want to study abroad in English speaking countries. And after that, let's talk about the major similarities and differences one by one. So first of all, we will talk about the similarities of both of the versions of IELTS. If we talk about the modules, both of the tests have 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And if we talk about the listening module is same both for IELTS academic and IELTS general training. You'll be getting 30 or 35 minutes, and similarly you'll be getting a same number of questions. And after that, if we talk about the speaking module of IELTS academic and IELTS general training, this is also same. So there is a big news for you that you won't be preparing more for IELTS academic or IELTS general training if you want to get a desired score. Now let's talk about the writing module of IELTS academic and IELTS general training. On the one hand, IELTS academic has 2 tasks. First one is of report writing, and second one is of essay writing, in which you have to write an essay of at least 250 words. In general training IELTS, task 1 would be of writing a letter, and task 2 would be same as IELTS academic, in which you have to write an essay of at least 250 words. Now coming toward the reading module, and reading module is a bit different in both of the tests. If we talk about general training IELTS, its reading content would be general, as it is clear from its name. And if we talk about IELTS academic, its reading module would be a bit formal and academic, and the content would be comprises of journals, magazines, and articles, etc. If we talk about the content of both of the test, content is not much different. If we talk about the general training IELTS content, it would be a bit general, and it would be comprises and consist of general topics. And if we talk about the IELTS academic is content, it would be a bit formal, and it would be about specific topics of education, technology, or something like that. After that, if we talk about its evaluation process, for listening, for speaking, for writing, its evaluation process would be same. There is no difference between the evaluation process of listening, speaking, and writing of IELTS academic and general training IELTS. But if we talk about the reading section of IELTS academic and general training IELTS, its evaluation process would be a bit different, because if you get 30 out of 40 marks, you'll be getting 7 bands in IELTS academic. But if you get 30 out of 40 marks, you'll be getting 6 bands in general training IELTS. And this is the reason why students for work permits or work visas are more curious about getting a good score in reading module specifically. So this was the major similarities between IELTS academic and general training IELTS. If you want to know more about IELTS academic and general training IELTS, if you want to get an expert coaching of IELTS or PT, you're welcome at NX English Club. Thank you so much.